Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa is not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about Grandpa. Tell your friends about Tesla. It's a huge opportunity. Elon says we could have a $30 trillion market cap coming up here shortly, and that means $10,000 per share. And Grandpa agrees 100%. But in the near term here, Grandma is planning on buying where 327, possibly tomorrow, possibly the next day. But Grandma will probably get her shares at 327. Grandma picked up $881 today. I do not know how Grandma knows what to do, but she just does. She just knows what she's doing. So if Grandma can buy at 327, maybe you can buy at 327. I think so. It's possible. Okay, so Grandpa, quit goofing around here. Okay, I got it on the 30-minute chart. It's a sell signal. We're taking a little dip here, folks. Well, we have to go down. The price is currently 338.70 area, and we got to go down around 10, 11 bucks for Grandma to fill at 327. Grandpa's holding out for the 325 area. you know, I every once in a while, it's not very often, but once in a while, Grandpa gets outdoes Grandma, but she always makes more money than Grandpa. Grandpa always sells too early. Okay, so I was going to show you the red candle in the 4 hour I was telling you about. This is the 4 hour chart, and by the way, it's still a buy signal because this red candle that Grandpa's got his mouse on here is only 4 minutes old. This candle here will finish out at 5 p.m. today. Okay? But in my last live stream, if you listened to it, Grandpa told you that this candle would start out red, and it's red. This is a red candle. Oh, wait, I'm going to ring the bell for DLA and Clutch and Jeff and Treasonous Trucker and Grandma. And why? Because Grandpa was right about something, a red candle. Oh, red candle. Oh, this is fun. You can't buy excitement like this. Okay, so what do we got going here? Well, we have a red candle. If this thing stays red, we have a sell signal. What's that mean? Oh, that means 327 is where Grandma's going to buy her shares. That's what it means. Oh, boy, this is fun. You know, I'll point something out to you here. We got our new white line here finally. Looks like the fair opening price for tomorrow is going to be, no, this ain't fine-tuned here yet, right around 340.75. 341. I got to get on a smaller chart to fine-tune it. That may be our fair opening price for tomorrow. 341, 340 and a half, 341. I'll get it fine-tuned for you. But I will point out that every single one of Grandpa's fair opening prices, even if they don't hit the same day, going back in time, what I can see, they've always hit. at some point. So we will see. But yeah, for tomorrow, the fair opening price should be right around 341 area. That's what I'm seeing here. So it looks like we're going to potentially, it's too early to tell, potentially have a sell in the 4 hour. We'll see how that pans out. You know, Grandpa could be wrong. 302.70 could be our, and this is something really to think about. 302.70, if it is our bottom pivot point, the run up is so great, so wonderful to 500, to 1,000, to 5,000, to 10,000 and beyond that you don't really want to miss the boat. Okay, this is the hourly chart. We have a sell in the hourly. We have a sell in the. Let me show you the 30-minute. We have a sell in the 30-minute, and we have a sell in the 15-minute also. We have a sell in the 15-minute. This thing is going to come down a little bit potentially here. It'll zigzag back and forth and all around, but she's going to come down a little bit. It's already gone down to 235 today, so we got a ways to go here. But what I was saying is your upside potential is, you know, is so great, and Grandpa could be wrong, and 302.70 could be your bottom pivot point. It's and I'm torn my own self. Right now I'm thinking that we might not get down below, you know, the 297 area, 285, 297 area. I think the 302.70 is fairly close to our bottom, possibly our bottom pivot point. And if it is, the sky is the limit. Anywhere you're buying shares here is going to be a winner chicken dinner. But you don't want to miss the run up. You don't want to miss the run up. And trading is reactive, not predictive. Tomorrow, Grandpa might have Grandma buy shares at 335, depending on what I see tomorrow. You know, I'm versatile. You got to be able to be reactive. My opinion is reactive. It has a tendency to change by what I see. Let's see here. I'm on the 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, it's not giving me this 318.20 is still our bottom pivot where we were supposed to open today. Okay, the day before it was 317.20. This white line here, my white lines are fair opening prices. But in the 15-minute, in the 4 hour, it's given me a potential opening price for tomorrow already at the 341. At the 341. This white line right here, this little white speck here, these are our newest pivot points. So up on the top side, we have a 360.30 as the top pivot point, followed by 354.46, 48. Then we have 337-ish. Then we have our opening of 340, 340.75, 341 area. It's hard to get it exactly on it. Then we have 333 and change. These are all good spots. Then we have 327.5. Grandpa might have to have Grandma buy at 327.5. 327.47. That's a biblical number. Down below that, we have 319.40 area. And let's see, what's Grandpa waiting for? Grandpa's waiting for 224.85, possibly tomorrow. And then I'll be in the money. Jeff picked up some money today. He shorted up above and picked up $105. Clutch Cargo, he picked up $4,000 this morning on that bounce up. Good job, Clutch Cargo. Haven't heard from Trees in his trucker today. I think he might be home, possibly. I'm not sure. Let's see. So this is the 4 hour, and Grandpa's just looking at his stuff here. Yeah, this white line right here is indicating that this will be the fair opening price for tomorrow. Right around the 340.75 area. It's going to be 340.70. It's going to be, should be real close to it. And we're getting a red candle here in the 4 hour. And that potentially could take us down about $10 or so. That's what I'm anticipating. And here we have, up here we have our top pivot point so far, which is 367.20. And our most current low is 302.70. And I think we're going to break it by just a little bit. I could be wrong. I'm thinking that it's starting to look like the 297 area might bottom us out possibly, or the 285 area, or more specifically, because Jeff likes me to be precise. 284.77 is more precise. Grandpa's funny. That's a fact. Okay, so yeah, we're having fun. You can't buy excitement like this. You just can't. You just can't buy excitement like this. Let's go through our charts and look what we got. Okay, what do we got? Oh, my word. What do we got? We literally have a sell signal in the 5 minute. We got a bull flag, and she continued on down. So we have a sell in the 5. We currently have a sell in the 5 minute or 15 minute chart. And we currently have a sell in the 30 minute chart. We got our sell over here actually. Then we got a buy signal. And then this one goes into that one. Then we got a sell signal in the 30. So we have a sell in the 30. And then we have the hourly, and we have a clean, beautiful, Clean. Oh, I like clean. We have a clean cell. It makes it so much easier when it's clean to figure out. We have a cell signal in the hourly. So that's where we're at. And well, Trump's making his appointments, and that's exciting. I was a little hard on Rubio a few live streams back, but one good thing about Rubio, he's sharp. The guy is sharp. There's no doubt about that. And Trump's going to have him be Secretary of State, and there'll be no opposition to that from anybody. Even what Grandpa calls the rhinos will vote for that. Yeah, but what I want to say good about Rubio is his position on Israel has always been very pro-Israel, and I do like that. I do like that. And he's probably not as conservative as a lot of Trump's choices, but he's definitely a conservative. There ain't too many of them as conservative as Grandpa. I'll clue you in right now. Grandpa leans a little bit to the right, but that's okay. You can lean left. I got some really good friends that lean way left, and I enjoy them to no end. I'm not going to tell you who they are, but it doesn't really matter. And then you got my favorite pick of all. Well, there's two of them, but I would say that Mike Huckabee, the two-time governor of Arkansas, and his daughter, Sarah Huckabee Sanders, is currently the governor there. And he's going to be the ambassador to Israel. He's an evangelical Christian. He's got his head on straight. And in Grandpa's opinion, Mike Huckabee knows more about Israel than he's extremely knowledgeable about Israel. He's been there in the past years upwards of 100 times. Mr. Carpenter's on here, and he goes, "Thanks for all you do. You got to call me Grandpa. You can't call me by my name there, John. I mean Carpenter. you gotta call me Grandpa. Because we're incognito here. But yeah, it's all fun. Mr. Carpenter he's gonna get some more shares. He's got some, and he wants to get some more, and he's waiting for an opportunity. And but anytime you buy Tesla is an opportunity. Right now he's in the green. I'll tell you that. Right now Mr. Carpenter is in the green making money. I can tell you that much. And it's just question of where. Now don't forget to put it back in. He retracted his. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you. Mr. Carpenter, you're almost as funny as Grandpa. He's a good man. He has a sawmill, and he moves his sawmill around to wherever he's gonna slice up wood, and then what he does for a living is pretty interesting. I think he goes up in these lift things and up to the highline wires and cuts the tree branches down so they don't fall on the highline wires, and he does that from morning till night. That's one tough character. Them carpenters, man, they are some tough. They're tough. That's a tough bunch, and good looking, really. And can they sing? I'll tell you what, when they come to church, it just livens the whole place up. His boys and the whole family, they get singing, and we just have a hoot. Okay, Carpenter's saying something about fully insured. Something about with his own company. I'm not sure what that is. So, yeah, he's fully insured. There's no doubt about that. He's got his own company. Yeah, it's a wild bunch up here in the Northland. We are up here where the polar bears. It's it's a temperate climate. It's too warm for polar bears here, to be truthful. It's 52 degrees up here. He's a tree guy. Yes, he is a tree guy. He goes. I'll tell you, he goes up there in them trees. He's got a chainsaw in both hands. He don't just cut wood with one chainsaw like most people. He's cuts chains. He's got two chainsaws, one in each hand. Sometime I'll send you a picture of him with a chainsaw in each hand as he's cutting. Not everybody can do that, but this guy has got talent and he's got power. Oh, man. Okay, Grandpa's going to start talking markets here. Tesla. Sell signal in the 1 hour. Oh, boy. Let's look at the 4 hour again where Grandpa said there'd be a red candle. Oh, there it is, red candle. Sell signal. We'll know about 4 o'clock if this thing is going to stay red. We won't know till then. And I'm curious, because this is the first time that I've had my computer pick the opening price for me, where I didn't calculate it at 5:30 in the afternoon. So we'll see if this changes. And it still isn't showing up on my other charts. It still is not showing up. The fair opening price for tomorrow, I didn't think it would start showing up until around 4 o'clock. So I'm surprised to see it up on that 4 hour. We will see. I want to see where it's really going to be because I just don't know at this point. We're getting a buy signal in the 1 minute. That 1 minute goes up and down like a pendulum. And that's what it does. 30 minutes, still sell signal. You know, we're going sideways. This thing is going nowhere fast. I will tell you this, though. In the 30-minute, we have a golden cross right here. When the 50-minute moves up through when the 50 moving average, Mr. Mom.
I feel really nervous going long up here, Alan.
Are you long up here?
No, I just got out. I made 90 cents.
What a chicken. I was just going to tell you that we're under a golden cross.
Really?
The 30, I just noticed it. The 30-minute is a golden cross since pre-market.
Oh, my God.
And I just seen it. Well, you could always go long again if you want to, but, you know, Grandpa's... I don't blame you for bailing out of your long. I mean, we have a sell signal in the hourly, the 30 and the 15 and the 5. As far as I know, I gotta check it from time to time.
It's crazy when you feel safer being short than long, huh?
Well, that's only because you listen to Grandpa.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a reassuring type individual.
You are. You're kind of reassuring.
Yeah, you should have never bailed out. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute.
Yeah.
You would have made $1. Hey, you're up $105 for the day. You got.
Yep, 105.90.
Yeah, you're almost as good as Grandma, who who made her $881 today, and then she's almost as good as Clutch, who made 4,000 today.
4,000.
Yeah, yeah, he picked up 4,000. That's one happy camper. Okay, what do I got this thing on? The 15 minute? 15 minute is a cell signal, Mr. Mom. 30 minutes a cell signal. The hourly is a cell signal. I don't know. I wouldn't feel too bad about getting out. Let's see. And the 4 hour. Did you look at your my red candle on your phone?
Yeah.
You did.
Um,
Did you look at my red candle on your phone at the 4 hour?
well, let's see, what do you mean, in text?
No, I'm on the screen. You can look at it right now if you look on the 4 hour chart.
Why, you're doing a stream right now?
Yeah, I'm doing a stream. You're on live stream. You
That's
nut.
hilarious.
I told you I was going to do a live stream at 1
Well,
o'clock.
you didn't. I never know when. I've got a million. Where are you? There you are.
What did I tell you in my last live stream before I left? I said I'm gonna do a live stream at 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Well, I never listened.
Oh, you didn't listen to the last live stream? Are you
Yeah,
there?
I did. Yeah.
Well, didn't you hear me say I was going to do a live stream at 1 o'clock? Apparently,
Okay.
you must have missed that part.
That was 4 hours ago.
Well, what do you want me to do about it?
So are you doing a live stream right now, or are you just talking about it?
No, I'm doing a live stream. You're on live
Well,
stream.
I can't find it here.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm doing one. I got Mr. Carpenter on here with me.
Really?
Yeah. He says,
Hello, Mr. Carpenter.
thank you, Grandpa. He's the tree guy.
Oh, he's a tree guy.
Yeah. You want to listen to this live stream because I told you all about Mr. Carpenter. And it was all very interesting, too. He's very handsome. He's very handsome. A great singer. Man, that guy can sing. Ooh. Kind of like Pastor Dan. And, Grandpa appreciates good singers. Then you missed, we potentially have an opening price tomorrow around 340. Don't run to the bank with that. It's only showing up in my 4 hour chart.
Okay.
I do not know. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute again. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show the 1 minute. Oh man, what a mess. It's moving just sideways.
Oh, completely. I fell asleep at a good spot to go short.
Yeah, well, that happens. We are absolutely just back and forth here. But it's all fun. Cell signal in the 1 minute. 5 minute is a cell signal. And 15 is currently still a cell signal. Where you at, Mr. Mom?
I am in Hollywood, Minnesota.
Hollywood?
Yep, on Highway 7.
I didn't know there was such a thing.
And now you do. Knowledge that you need.
How big is Hollywood, Minnesota?
I think there's a church.
In other words, they got a sign and 3 people?
Yep, there's a little truck stop here in Hollywood.
And it's right on Highway 7.
Yeah, it's between Chanhassen and Hutchinson.
Well, I've driven through it a million times.
You have.
I didn't even see the sign. Do they have a sign?
Oh, yep, they do actually.
When did they put it up? Last week?
I don't know.
Well, I haven't been there for 5 years, so I mean, did they put the sign up in the last 5 years?
Oh gosh, yeah. Yeah, it's been here a lot.
Okay, so
Wow, look at this sideways, Alan. Wow.
okay, so you have a golden cross in the 30-minute. Let's see where we have in. We have a golden cross in the 15-minute.
What's the volume? What's the volume?
I have no idea. Grandpa doesn't look at volume.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, maybe I'll look at the volume. Market. Volume, 85 million.
Okay, I look at the volume at the end of the day.
Okay.
90.5 is the average for the day.
Oh,
You're gonna. I figure the volume will top the average, but I'll figure that out at the end of the day and to do divergence and stuff. But it's too early.
Tell Mr. Carpenter not to fall asleep when he's trading.
Well, he's up on a tree, or up in that thing. He rides up in the air to them
the
great,
bucket.
yeah, them great big power lines that are up there,
Oh, yeah.
200 feet in the air. You know, he's up there trimming tree branches up in outer space.
Hey, no, we don't.
He don't just use one chainsaw. This guy,
Okay.
he has a chainsaw in both hands.
Every time we get down to 338.40, it stops.
Yeah, well, that's a fact. 340, 338.20 area.
Yeah, but the candle isn't finished.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking at the previous ones.
Oh, it is finished. Oh, we
Well,
got a new low.
Well,
We got a new low.
who knows what candle you're looking at?
Yep, we got a new low.
Oh, we do not.
Yeah, we do.
335.
Yeah, I'm talking about after the goofiness of the morning. I'm talking about
Okay.
during the trading day.
Well, whatever. Okay.
Yeah, we got a new low.
Well, Grandma, I was saying
Hopefully
earlier.
You kept your short, right? You're not out, right?
Well, yeah, I'm short. Grandma's gonna rebuy tomorrow. Tomorrow at 327. I texted you that, and I said it on this program. Matter of fact, my heading of the program is Tesla. Grandma's buying at 327 tomorrow.
I'm so chicken that I knew that 348 was a great spot. That you knew instinctively.
Well, you should have loaded up, kid.
Well, I'm not like you, moneybags.
Yeah, okay. But anyway, you made $105. You took profit. You're in the
Yep.
green. You're ahead of 99 and 9/10 of America right now. You and Grandma. The only one that ain't in the money is Grandpa, like usual. Why?
Yeah.
That's what I want to know is why everybody. I'll tell you what. I'll be real happy when February 15th, when we can trade around the clock like the rest of these bad boys.
No, then we'll have to stay awake that long. I was thinking about that. How are we going to stay awake?
No, you just put in your order to sell, and just peek at it once in a while and adjust. You know, these guys are buying and selling $5, $10 on either side of where we can even get to each day. you know, when they make a new high pivot point, you can't get within $5 of it, you know. Uh,
Mm.
and when they make a new low one, you're lucky if you can get within $5 or $10 of that. That's how they function. You know, they're going through the numbers. It's just that you can't trade it. That's uh, you'll be able to put in your EXTO and it will fill for you. You know, you anticipate this is what I'm hoping for while I'm sleeping. You know, uh,
See, I have trust issues.
well, just trust that you'll make the money when it gets there.
I trust right now that I don't. I think anybody who takes a position right now is a crazy man.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. Well, don't say that. John might be buying.
Oh,
It's he's in the green. He's in the green. Oh no, he's not in the green. He was in the green earlier.
uh-oh. A
Uh,
new low. A
well,
new low.
oh, quit saying that. The low is you're gonna mess people up. The low is 235 area. 234 90. What is the low? I'll go down and tell you where the low is. The low is 235.05. That's
It is
the
definitely going down, Grandpa.
well.
It's definitely.
It should go down. Grandma's gonna buy shares tomorrow at 327, $10 below where it's at. It ought to go down. You know, Grandma knows stuff. I keep telling you that. You already know that. Yeah,
I
she was
do.
pretty happy. I woke her up before 7 and I said, change your sell order quick. And by George, she did. She snagged her money. And sure, she could have made a few bucks more. She would have made $1,000 if I'd have let her sleep. Oh man. But you know, you just don't know. At that point in time, it was dipping. It dipped fast at 7, didn't it?
You know what? Maybe I should buy right now.
Sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and the hourly.
337.50. Wow.
Be a little patient there. Well, you want me to tell you where Grandpa thinks, just for the fun of it?
Yeah.
Uh, oh man, let me get on a smaller chart. We're gonna fine tune it. Well, your next place of support's down at 333.50. I would not get in until 334. No way. Uh,
Look at it dropping right now. Look at it.
Yeah, well, I keep telling you it's going to 327. Anyway, yeah, you have your next place of support, if you can see my screen, is right around 333.70. 333.67 to be exact is your support.
Okay.
Where you would expect to grab a bounce, a decent chance of a bounce. Down below that, you have 327 area. 327.25. I might adjust Grandma, 327.17.
Jeez, I wouldn't have been such a chicken that it kept my short. That's my whole problem, Grandpa. I'm
Yeah,
too much of a chicken.
yeah. Well, Grandpa always sells early too. but you're 100 and something bucks richer than you were when you went to sleep last night. That's always nice.
Yeah, it is.
So really, where we're running right now is between the 342.70 area and the 333.70 area. That's your support on the bottom and your resistance on the top. 343.70 to 342.70
Well, where do
area.
you go in the green?
What?
Where do you go in the green?
Oh, I don't go in the green until 329. 329. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna buy back my shares at what do I got it at? I got it at 324.85. That's where I'll buy back, and I'll make a little over $4. No big deal. But I'm gonna buy back below where Grandma starts buying in, so I look good.
Oh, okay.
You know, uh, and I can adjust that some. You know, if I have to. You know, trading is reactive, not predictive. You know that.
I do.
Yeah. So I was talking about Mike Huckabee. I think he's a terrific choice for
Now, do you listen to
ambassador.
uh, Chuck, Chuck, uh, Chuck somebody from CBM? Yeah,
Oh
he
yeah.
really brags about it.
Oh, well, he is. He's the he's more knowledgeable on Israel than anybody that I know of. That's for sure. Uh, as far as Israel goes, that guy is pro-Israel. I'll tell you that. But he understands Israel. What's important to Grandpa is he understands it biblically. Also, you know
Right.
uh, that. Now we're just about getting down to. We're right at three. We made a new low. Uh,
Whoa,
uh,
they're a big candle.
we
Wow.
we made a real new low of the day.
Yeah.
Not one of those pretend ones. Um, because we were at 335.05, and our current low is coming quick. Grandpa knows stuff. I don't
You
know
do.
what nobody ever pays any attention to what Grandpa says. Is
Well, I do.
That's why you sold your shares early. Uh, I'm not trying to be mean to you here.
Okay, good.
We're under a sell signal in the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the hourly, and Grandpa called out before he left the last live stream that we would start out with a red candle in the 4 hour, and we got one. I got it on my screen right now. Did you ever find my live stream?
I'm on it right now.
Oh, I know you're on it.
No, I'm
Everybody's.
listening to it. I'm listening to two conversations here.
Oh, hey, what's your being you're on here with me? I got my clock up. Check your lag just for the fun of it. See what it is.
I can't see it.
Well, my clock is right at 146.35 seconds.
145. 146.23. That's about what I am. Yep.
So you're 20 seconds off, 20,
Yeah.
25 seconds. That ain't too
Yeah.
bad. Okay. Yeah, I'm curious to see if this fair opening price, uh, at this point, you might want to take and run
It
with
goes
the.
back up to 339. Gonna go short again.
Sure. Okay. Good luck with that. Anything is possible with Tesla. You know that.
Yeah.
We got a new low of 334.40.
Yep.
And
How come it's not showing that?
Grandpa's looking at his price ladder.
Usually when a low is made on here, it's
It depends on what chart you're on or what it's it might or I'm on a 4 hour here. I should get it on
I'm one day, 1 minute.
oh, okay. Well, that ain't showing me nothing on that particular chart. Yeah, it's if you for instance, if you go to the 15 minutes showing a low of 302.70, you know, it
Yeah, but that's back 2 days ago.
it doesn't matter. It,
Oh.
it depends on the chart you're running, you know, and that's just in the smaller time frames. It should give us an indication of it, but for some reason it ain't doing it right now. I'm trying to get. I'm goofing around trying to get it to do it for us. Earlier on, it was doing it. It was giving us a low as we were moving along, but it quit doing it. Why, I have no idea. Oh, we're getting a buy signal in the 1 minute right now. Right now.
Really?
Right now. If you want to buy and make a couple bucks, get on the bus. See what happens. 335.40 area.
I'm filled.
Okay, now
336, 335.40 is what I got.
okay, well put some down around 334.50 area. You know, about 25 cents down, do a few more and a few more and a few more type of deal.
No, I ain't gonna do that today.
How are you gonna make any money? You're not going to the moon. You're only gonna go a few bucks here and hope for a dollar or two before it plummets to
If
327.
it goes back up to 339, that is that's $100.
Well, that's true. Sell at 337 and go short. And then watch it go up to 347 or 349. Yeah, me and you, we know what we're doing, I'll tell you.
Oh yeah, we're
We're having
JP
fun.
Morgan traders.
Yeah. Are you in the green?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It won't be for long. We have a sell signal in the 5 minute. I'll show it to you. We have a sell signal in the 5 minute. We have a sell signal. I'm just doing this to make you nervous, you know that. We have a sell signal in the 15 minute.
Well, I was up $14, so I should have taken my money.
Well,
but I got greedy.
I would agree with that.
Well, now I'm under.
Okay, and we have a sell signal in 30 minute, and I'm just repeating what I said earlier. And then we have a sell signal in the hourly and a potential sell signal in the 4 hour. But we do have a buy signal in the 1 minute.
Oh.
Still, by the hair of our chinny chin. The way I have priority on my screen with my pivot points, and so it makes my candles just wacko. But Yeah, it looks like we might possibly get a cell signal into 1 minute. Oh man, are you in the green?
Yep.
Get out. How much are you up?
That's the.
Well, don't think about it
35.
forever.
I made 21 cents.
You sold and made 21 cents?
Yeah, per share.
How much did you make?
Well, about $6.
Well, you know, that ain't all bad. You're up over 110 bucks for the day.
Yep, 112.16.
At this rate, you'll be a millionaire by evening.
I'm gonna be a millionaire by the age of 122.
Well, how'd you like to be grandpa? I'm 97.
Now that'd be a bugger.
Yeah, been 97 for 4 years.
And then she won't give you your right date. Thank goodness you made me sell. See there, audience? Alan made me money.
Don't
Grandpa
say
made me
my
money.
name. Don't say my name. Grandpa made me money.
Yeah, Grandpa made me money.
I always give Grandpa the credit, even if it ain't true.
Well, you just did. You told me to buy and you told me to sell. I made $6.
Yeah, well, there you go.
There you go.
And she's going straight down again.
Yep, that's a big long candle.
Well,
that's a long one.
It's got to go down to get to 327 where Grandma's gonna buy.
334.50. That's where I should have bought it. 334.50.
You should have shorted more. You should have. Well, whatever. At this point, we're so much in the middle. I wouldn't just. If you're gonna goof around to the upside because you have 10,000 reasons to go long, and Grandpa could be wrong about this 302.70. The upside potential so magnanimous. If you're shorting this stock like Grandpa is, you're nuts.
Well, just think if Elon finds out.
Well, Elon's probably shorting it with us.
Well, he's mad at Billy Gates over the whole deal. Just think if he's mad at you.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want him mad at me.
Yeah, no, Elon likes me. Well, Bob Graham's my next door neighbor, you know, Franklin Graham. Billy Graham's cousin.
Yeah.
And they ain't near as conservative as Grandpa. That's the truth. Yeah, I tell you what, Trump's gonna fight for Gates, and he oughta.
Yes, he's gonna fight for all of them.
Oh yeah. I want. You know, if they're resisting them, they're good, and there ain't. What's that gal's name? Tulsi.
Gabbard. Tulsi. For some reason, they especially hate her.
They hate her and they hate Trump, and there's a reason. She's sharp, boy, and I mean she was a Democrat. Well, what's wrong with these people? They don't even like their own Democrats.
Right.
She's bouncing back up there, Slim. You could have made some real money if you didn't listen to Grandpa.
I sold it to high. Now it's coming back down.
Did you go short?
No, I didn't. I'm out.
Oh, well, that's probably a smart thing.
I am going to go short if it goes back up to 339.
Oh, okay.
Very definitely. And this time I won't fall asleep because I was sleeping for a while.
Good luck with that. Okay, remember, trading is reactive, not predictive.
Yeah.
Unless you're Grandpa, then it's 327.
I spilled coffee on my bill of lading.
Oh, that's always nice.
Yeah, I'll give you a special touch.
I got to get off this 1 minute chart. I'm driving myself nuts. Cell signal still into 5 minute cell
How
signal.
can there be a cell signal? It's going straight up.
It's a different time chart. You're looking at a 1 minute.
Okay.
That 1 minute will go up 50 cents and reverse and come straight down. We,
Yeah.
sell signal into 15 minute. The higher the time frame, the stronger the overall signal. Okay. Um, Sell signal into 15 minute. I'm going through my deals here. Sell signal into 30 minute. Oh, where's the hourly? Sell signal in the hourly. Boy, that's a pretty one. I should just look at that one. You should look at the hourly chart. The candle in the hourly chart, the last hour here, goes from one pivot point to the next pivot point down below. Uh, she's right in between 333.70 and 342.65. Now, that's that the whole hourly candle. Now there's your area right now. Yeah, she's going up. You would have made some money if you wouldn't have bailed out of that long position.
Yep.
Yep, yep. I don't know why you listened to Grandpa. And you were happy about it. You were happy to make $6.
I was.
Yep,
I could have lost $6.
that's true. I wanted you to make $10. I was thinking about saying hold out for $10, but I just didn't do it, you know. I'm sorry.
There it goes. It's going up. It's
What?
going up.
Well, we know it's going up. It's got to go up so it can go down and make Grandpa look good. Yeah, this is a hoot. Okay, so I'll tell you what, Mr. Mom, I'm going to get off here. It's almost 2 o'clock.
We'll talk to you later, Grandpa.
Yeah, listen to this live stream because it's an hour of just pure agony. An hour of pure agony. Hey, I'm
Hey,
gonna.
maybe they'll like that better than being so prim and proper.
Well, prim and proper is what we do best here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, if they want to know what's going on with Tesla, this is the place to find out.
Yep.
And if nothing else, they'll find out what Grandma's doing.
Right.
Grandma's gonna buy tomorrow at 327. That's what Grandma's gonna do.
Okay.
Hey, remember, this thing's going to $10,000. So
Don't blame you.
don't blame Grandpa.
Everybody's been warned.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Okay. Hey, think about eternity. Oh, I'm gonna come back at right. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back right around 4 o'clock
Okay.
in 2 hours. I'm gonna
Okay.
come back at 4 o'clock because I want to see where the fair opening price is for tomorrow because that could be a moneymaker for us all, including Grandma. Okay. So 4
We'll see you
p.m.
at 4 o'clock, Grandpa.
4 p.m. Eastern. Hey, Mr. Mum, with that cough, think about eternity once in a while there, Mr.
I will.
Mum.
I will.
She's up to 337 and rising.
Yep.
Yeah, it's too bad you sold. Man, oh life, that's a dirty shame. You had the right idea there, Mr. Mum, and you just
No guts, no glory, Grandpa.
you just bailed
guts.
out of it.
Just for no apparent reason.
And now's where you should be shorting. It's gonna go straight. She's gonna go straight down here any second. Short. Go short quick. Go short quick and pick up a buck. See you later. All good things. Think about eternity once in a while. Me and Jeff do.